Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue of my right click not working. So if I go onto my desktop and I want to right click and refresh, and my right click is not working, in a case where you just have to right click and then it will give you the option whether you want to delete or refresh the desktop. When I click on any file, my right click is not working. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. So follow the video as I'm going to show you how to solve it using my own PC, because in my case, just as you can see, when I right click, it is not working. It is not performing as right click, but only performing as left click. Without further delay, let's get started. Now, for us to do this, we just have to, on your keyboard, you can just click on this start here and then search run. And then you have this run here, so click on it to open. Or on your keyboard, just press Windows key plus R. And once Windows key plus R, it opens, it gives you the run box. Now you now type in regedit, as you can see, regedit. Right, so once you have regedit, just click on press on enter, right, and then click on yes. Right, so as it opens this for you, your view might not be on this same, so let me just expand this so that you see how it's going to view. So let's close this. Right, so once it's closed, you can see that we have this here. We have H key, class root, current user, local machine. So we are going to be working with the class root. On the class root, you can use your arrow keys to navigate and open whichever that we are moving on to. But I'll put a pop-up text on your screen for you to see the directories that we'll be going to. So just as I said, just click on this H key classes. So click on this to open that. Now move down to directory. So that means you have to go to D column. You can just press on D and as it will take you to the D column. So you can move down to the directory. This is it here. So we have D column here. So we have directory here. So just click on it to open. And then once it opens, click on background. Under background, you can see that we have Shellex. So click on Shellex. And then we have this ContextMenuHandlers. So click on it to open that one too. So you can see as we have it here. So what we are going to be deleting, we are going to be deleting some of these files. So whatever that we are going to be deleting, any file in relation to IGF, just delete it. So we have this IGF here and we have this here. So what we are going to do is that just on your keyboard, you can press delete. And then as you can see, we have click on yes. Right, so you can see the first one is deleted. So next one, you can press on delete again on your keyboard because the right click is not working. So you can only use the left click, but you can't right click. So just click on it and then click on the delete key again. And then we have yes, click on yes. Right, so once you do this, just close this page, exit this page. And once again, just on your keyboard, once again, just press on the Windows key plus the R to open the run box again. Now, this time around, search tax manager, so which will be tax MGR. Right, so click on OK. Once you click on OK, it's going to open your tax manager. And as it opens our tax manager, on the process, scroll down and look for Windows Explorer. Just scroll down, maybe move down to the ending part. So we have that here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to restart this file explorer. Just right click on it and then click on restart. Right, so you can see that, or better still, what you can just to be on the safe side, you can just use your left click. That is, after deleting them and your right click is still not working, you can just click on the start button and restart the PC. And once you restart, definitely your PC is going to be working. But in my case, as you can see, my right click is working. Initially, when I was right clicking, it was not right clicking, but now you can see that it's now right clicking. So that is just how easy and simple it is to solve this issue of your right click not working. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any issues, leave it in the comment section. We see you on our next one.